One thing that I really enjoy about the program is that we have a lot of people from a lot of different industries and aspects of the supply chain.
Being able to interact with people that are in very different industries like the food industry, medical, understanding the similarities and the difference that there are between them.
They bring a unique perspective to our thought process and the way that we approach problem solving.
One of the things that is very helpful is that the program is online and is very flexible. The flexibility of being able to do it online from whenever you want in the world, that's a big plus.
If we want to take more than one class, we can. If we need to take one semester off to take care of our children, we can. And that flexibility has been absolutely invaluable to me.
There are a lot of skills that I've been able to develop because of this program. So, for example, in procurement, we've been learning a lot about negotiation skills. So how to work with suppliers to negotiate better prices while keeping the quality and value of our products.
We take a 555, which is our supply chain finance class, which I was terrified to take, but that was my favorite class, and I've been using what I learned in that class every single day.
It offers almost an immediate reward because you're consistently learning, and then you're able to show that in your job as well.
The main thing that it does is it's really improved my confidence. Being on the younger side of the program, I'm not as experienced as a lot of my other classmates are. And then also being able to just apply what I'm learning immediately to what I'm doing at my day-to-day in work.
I've been able to open discussions with my management about how we can be approaching the way that we manage our spend, the way that we view our customers, and then how we can approach our business in a new way to be able to continuously innovate.
Being able to learn about procurement, planning, modeling, and some other subjects had really helped me to build more relationships, not only at the university, but also at my job as well.
What I would recommend is reaching out to the admissions team here and getting partnered with a current student. That is what I did, and they really sold me on the program.
You will learn some of the latest tools, some of the latest research.
UT is awesome. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna have a really great time.